Hey everyone, this is Ryan B with Practical Forex Trading. This is your silver price analysis for the week of March 15th, 2020. So silver versus the price of the US dollar, XAGUSD. If you want to stay up to date with all of our silver charts, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click that red subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this out. This is the weekly chart for silver. And as we were talking about before in some earlier videos, silver is really range trading, right? So once again, price hit this 1860, 1870 resistance line, and a sell-off occurred. But the good news is that we've got long-standing support here down at this $13.75 line. So let's go ahead and look at this trend. So this trend line, really shallow, just kind of goes back pre-2000. We see price running below it, price bumps above it, finds support. So not only do we have the range bottom here, but we also have this trend line now starting to ascend, which makes me feel really good about support here. So I don't think we're going to hit a bearish scenario personally. However, you never know. So I am bearish if price falls below 13.75. Now, the next thing we want, as a bull, we'd want price to break out from 1860. So if you are range trading, pretty good buying opportunity. Now, it might go a little bit lower, right? But 13.75 would make a great buy. And then even if you just held it to the top of the channel at 1850, you've made a few bucks there. The problem is this range and this trend line could go well into 2021. 22 without a significant breakout in the upwards direction and just holding this range. So if you've been holding silver since 2016, 2015 in hopes of a profit, and you didn't cash out here at one of these peaks, and you're still holding, you've essentially made nothing at this point. You haven't lost anything, but you've made a few cents, right? So that's the one bummer about range trading. It's not so great for a long-term hold. Depending on how you look at it, it's less risk but less profit. So let's go ahead and look at the daily at a more microscopic view. Okay, here we go. Now, one thing we do see is that price is moving well ahead of this fast daily moving average. So, which means typically at some point we're going to see some retrace. You want to be careful. You don't want to sell like really deep into the candle way ahead of moving average, because what most likely happens is that price is going to rebound a little bit, catch up, or just move sideways so this moving average can catch up before moving down lower. Now in this daily we can kind of see a medium range, right? We see where price stopped several times before, and price is well into this lower range now. So as we discussed in that weekly chart, we see here kind of a little pocket right around the 13.75 mark. If we see price go back there and revisit, might be a really good buy for silver. But yeah, this moving average, let's go ahead and make this a 1 hour, and then let's get an idea. Let's entertain the thought that maybe it will retrace, and let's go ahead and put a Fibonacci on there to see what would those numbers look like. So use our Fib retracement tool, take a recent high, bring it down all the way to a recent low, and here we go. We've got a 23.6 retracement at the $15.45 mark. You can see that happening pretty easily. And here's our 38.2 at $16.15, which would then revisit this minor resistance and support zone, right? So we think about a retrace. I'm guessing that the retrace would go to around the $16 mark. So it's just a question of, will it fall further before it retraces, or similar to this pattern here, right? We have the start of the trend, and then we have a move up, sideways, then our next move down. So we might be seeing now, just like here in this pocket, our next move up, and my guess that the target would be around 16.15. Just remembering that in the big scheme of things, that'll make for the next move down. So, all right, great. Well, I hope you all have lots of profit this week trading. Stay strong in those volatile markets out there. We'll talk soon.